welcome to Patty Puckett Pouring Art. Today I'm going to do the Pseudo Swipe. It's a SheleeArt technique. The difference between the regular SheleeArt technique swipe and this one is that we're going to lay out the colors. You can lay them in different patterns, and we're going to tilt. And then when we swipe, we're not going to do just one swipe. You can leave areas that are just the paint and not have to swipe the whole thing. And I guess that's what the difference is. This is my first one. So I'm going to give it a shot so you can watch and see if I screw up or see what happens. She uses a card to swipe, and she puts the cell activator on the card, and let's see if the clear sheets would also work. That might be too light of a touch. Anyway, let's get started. My recipe will be down in the description. Push the triangle there next to the title and it'll take you down there. I am using a cell activator Australian Floetrol, not American Floetrol. So it's just this and Amsterdam black oxide for my cell activator. The paints, you can look in the description below and it'll show you my recipe for the paints. Colors, I hope I have them all. If I don't, this is Ultramarine Winsor & Newton. And this is PBO Iridescent Blue-Green. They can go on top of each other or not go on top of each other. I've seen her do it a couple different ways. This, I think, is it's an orange chromacryl and a sunset iridescent pigment. Yes. And it has some cadmium orange in it also. So I just made a, I like the orange next to the turquoise. I did a swipe on paper that was really cool, and it had the cell activator took on the orange tone. It was pretty cool. So I don't know, that one will probably be up after this one. This one is Color Shift Golden, Color Shift Green Flash, and Art Minds Candy Apple. Very pretty. Shimmery. This is Artist Loft Copper. And this is the Primary Elements Kiwi. Two different kinds of green here. Who knows what that's going to be like. Okay. The pillow paint is Color Place by Walmart. Satin. White interior paint. Put more blue in here. I can just move the paint around right now like that. Don't want to mix it too bad. Partially. Start tilting. I want some more of that dark blue over here a little bit. Okay. And it's okay if that white shows through. to go ahead and do some, spread that paint out a little bit. Okay, I want to leave enough pillow on there for it to move. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put some cell activator on the wax paper. First, I'm going to try these sheets. I don't know if they're going to be too thin. They might be. I want it to hold a lot of cell activator. So I want to go here, push it down, very little. Okay, that worked. You really need to wipe it off after each swipe. Make sure you have enough on there. I'm just putting a little bit of pressure down. Whoops. So I shouldn't have started on the white. I think that messed it up right there. I'm going to try the business card. And I'm going to try a smaller swipe. It does use more cell activator and more colored paint than the regular Shelee Bloom technique. So it's going to be more expensive to do, more product. I'm using, yeah, a lot more cell activator also. Okay, so I know I have some areas in here, but it doesn't really matter. You don't, with this technique, you don't have to get all the areas. That's one of the difference between a Shelee Bloom swipe, even if you have the cell activator on your card, and the regular swipe is she leaves some areas open. And I'm not really looking at composition right now. But as you get more used to doing this, I can see where I could do more of a composition and think it out a little bit more. Right now, I'm just trying to make it work. So it's pretty cool. I know you can't see that. So I'm going to go ahead and start tilting. I think I'm done. I'm going to leave these areas like they are. So I'm going to go ahead and tilting. Actually, I like the white. I mean, the white is selling up really cool. So I'm going to start tilting this way first. So now I'm going to bring it back. The lighting is not the best right now. Okay, let me wipe my hands and get you back here. Okay, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and tilt this off on this side. Now I'm going to bring it back. Now, it looks like I'm getting some measles, but hopefully I'll be able to fix that with my barbecue skewer. So I'm happy with it. Really gives me some ideas. So I'm going to go ahead and work on some of these white specks that are coming up. Okay, I've got all the air bubbles, filled it in, there's no more measles. I really like it. If you want a discount on the SheleeArt class, and it allows you to be part of a private Facebook group, down below in the description I have a 15% off code. It makes it about $60 US for her $100 Australian class, and it's worth taking. So go ahead and look down, it'll give you all the information. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, push the notification bell. I will have some close-ups. Well, I'm going to give you some close-ups sort of right now. I just don't want to pick it up because I don't have a whole lot of room underneath. When I do this technique, I recommend that you do more than push pins, because in order to get your fingers under there, you are going to hit the sides. So, and then if it's disturbed, then you're not going to get it back looking good. So the taller push pins, I'm using the small ones. I've learned just now not to do that. Anyway, I'm super happy with it. I'll have some close-ups at the end of the video. Please like, subscribe. Have a great night. Cheers.